This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site.
Now that we have an idea of how to sit with our drums and tune them, we know some of the basic sounds we can get and how to warm up. Let's learn some essential bongo grooves to start building our musical vocabulary. The first groove we'll cover has been omnipresent in Western Afrocentric music since as long as the instrument has been around. It's a simplified version of the common martillo pattern that we'll learn in the next lesson, which we can refer to as a hand-to-hand martillo. This means that we'll be alternating our hands, right, left, throughout. So we'll start off by playing an open tone with our right index finger, followed by 3 ghost tones, left, right, left. We'll play another open tone in the right, followed by a ghost tone in the left, then a low drum open in the right, and one more left hand ghost tone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that just a bit faster, as we focus on the motion of our right hand moving between the 2 drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we're comfortable with the sticking, the movement, and the tones, let's speed this up to a more common tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on this groove with a loop from here on the site and really do our best.